Hey guys, I got a new video for you. Figure I'd do another pack opening. I think I have 12 packs left from this booster box. Still chipping away at it. Yeah, let's get it going. Zapdos. Alright. Got Energy Search, Horsey, Omnimite, Ekans, Psyduck, Mysterious Fossil, Geodude, Seadra, Omnistar, Graveler, and a non-hollow Magneton. Well, off to a great start. I'm hoping, since my last couple videos were very lackluster in the hollow department, that this one won't be, but we'll just have to see about that. Aerodactyl. Alright. Zubat, Geodude, Mysterious Fossil, Krabby, Energy Search, Omnimite, Shelder, Slowbro, Kingler, Golem, alright, non-hollow Ditto. Well, shaping up nice so far. Yeah. I'm gonna do Lapras, I believe. Lapras. Of course, it's probably all messed up. I'm gonna end up with the last 6 being 3, 2, and 1 or something like that. Oh well. There's so many more hollows I need. I don't think it's gonna work out with this box. Geodude, Gambler, Omnimite, Grimer, Slowpoke, Psyduck, Recycle, Magmar, haven't seen him in a while, Omnistar, Seadra, Moltres, Hollow? Alright, a hollow. Holler. I've been saying that way too much lately. People are getting annoyed at me. Do I have a hollow Moltres? I either need one or I have 7 of them. Let me check. By George, I think I needed it. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Well, that's something. 3 hollow legendary birds. First edition. That's pretty sweet. I'm glad I at least got that. from this box. Now what I was remembering was I have about like 3 or 4 non-hollow Moltres. Alright, well that gives me some enthusiasm for the rest of this box. I'm hoping for... What am I hoping for? I don't even know what I need. Well, we'll have to see. It probably won't be what I need. That's not much just for certain. Omanyte, Gambler, Grimer, Shellder, Tentacool, Slowpoke, Zubat, Slowbro, Graveler, Golbat. Haven't seen him in a while. And oh my goodness, Hollow Aerodactyl. Well, I'm pretty sure I needed that. That is exciting. Oh yeah. That's nice. Pretty sure I didn't have one of those. Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. Did not have one of those. Alright. That's sweet. Oh yeah. How many is that? How many have I opened? Let's see. Okay. 2 more. Zapdos. I'm positive by now that it won't even out. The pack bases won't even out. So I just mixed it all up. Alright. Starting off with a classic Geodude, Omanyte, Gambler, Grimer, Shellder, Tentacool, Slowpoke, Golbat, Weezing, alright, Seadra, and a Hollow Dragonite. Well, it's just shaping out nicely, isn't it? I'm positive I didn't have that one yet. Sweet. Alright. That shiny rainbowness. Nice. Nice. I'm liking this a lot. Oops. That's sweet. Was that 3 hollows in a row? Yes. That is about time. That's all I can say. Dang, I'm moving this one like a boss. Ekans, Zubat, Slowpoke, Shellder, Gambler, Krabby, Kabuto, Golduck, Mr. Fuji, Kingler, and a non-hollow Muk. Well, they can't all be winners. Let's take a look back here. I think I messed them up. Yeah, because I got those birds out. Moltres, Dragonite, Aerodactyl, Ditto, Muk. What was the other one? Magneton. I think. I don't know. Anyway, here we go. Let's just look at the shiny ones. That's not a shiny one. This is a shiny. That's not the shiny one. This is. It's all backwards. I can't see it. Okay. Got the Moltres, Aerodactyl, and the Dragonite. Very nice. I'd say that was what, 1 out of 2? That's pretty good odds. It's supposed to be 1 out of 3, so sweet. Sweetnish, yeah. That's it. I'm gonna save the last 6 for another video. Polish off the box. Expect another video soon where I talk about cool stuff I've gotten lately. And yeah, see ya.